Thanks for tuning in again, guys. I know it's been a while, but I've been up to a fair few different things right now. You're going to check it out. This is what I've been working on, and I've also been doing a fair bit of prep work, which you're going to see in this video, and then you're going to see the plenum video at a later date. So let's get stuck into the video. Welcome back to another video by Mr. Project. In this episode, we're going to continue on doing the prep work. And I'll tell you what, there's a lot of prep work to be done, and we're going to try and focus on this side of the car, try and get this bonnet done, and just try and get the whole thing done in general. So what I'm about to do is chuck this on a time lapse and kick it off. Look at this, because the bonnet's all over the place, we are going to have to literally bog the whole thing and start again, because there's that many highs and lows in it. We've got the panel beater in. Anal beater. We've got the we've got that guy. And we've got a foreman. And he's formal. Did you come from Victoria? Did you bring COVID with you? Well, it's been a long couple of days. We're into this about 60 hours, I reckon. It's now Saturday night. And I tell you what, I've been working on this thing all week, every afternoon, late hours of the night, all night last night. But we are pretty straight. I've got 3 more spots to fix up. One there, and on the back quarter. And then we're going to be looking pretty good for primer. I tell you what, I don't enjoy doing this at all, but at the end it does look really good. Really, really good. Pretty happy with the end result. Now time to give the engine bay a bit of a clean up. Because look at that, that is disgusting. So we're going to get the pressure washer and wash it out. All nice and clean, just washed down the bay. Giving her a little bit of a run after all the dust. Still running fine and looking awesome. Gonna have to pack it away now. I'm over here with Jimmy. And he's gonna be getting it done. He's gonna be pulling out this RB25 and rebuilding it. So leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and let me know if you want to see this. He's going to film it all, and it's going to be on my channel, and you're going to get it done.
I'm fucking going to do my best.
He's going to do his best.
You know what it's going to be?
What?
It's going to be sick.
It's going to be fully sick. Cheers. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and watching that episode. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and comment. I love reading the comments. I love to hear the feedback that you guys have got to give me. And if you do want to see that video of the 25 getting pulled out and getting rebuilt and putting back into the car, leave a comment and let me know what you think. And I'll tell you what, it's been a long, long week, and I really hope you enjoyed that video. Next video out will be me, well, not me, someone priming the car, and then we're going to get it ready for paint. It's going to a paint booth. We're going to do this one in a booth, so it should turn out pretty good. I'll catch you on the next one.